Hi guys, so I'm back. I know, I've been gone and it's just been, let me tell you, it's been crazy. So weird. This is so weird. Oh my god, I can't. This is so weird. Okay, I'm canceling. Canceling the YouTube. Bye. Okay, never mind. Sorry, I just like to talk. I like to talk and I like to be annoying and I like to talk. So you're gonna be hearing this. This is gonna be a talk through tutorial. So this is the Morphe 25A palette Copper Spice one with all the neutrals and all the brown. The Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Put it on my lids. Nice. And then I'm just gonna take a regular Scotch tape, put it on my eyeball. Overcast in the Morphe 25A as a transition. That shade right there. The shade After Life. It's that pretty brown shade. It's really pretty. Right there. Just putting that in the outer corner mostly. The bristles are all like messed up right there. You can see. They're all messed up, but I love this brush. It's the Morphe M18 or M518. Don't really need makeup. Well, I could. I have nobody to impress because I work with high schoolers, and no, just no, that. And I like it. And I should on the outer corner. So I'm just gonna be doing that. And I'm gonna be taking the highlighter shade in the Sephora, just like, I think it's called it's something Queen. I'll put it up in the corner right there, or I'll put it down in the description. But I just do a little bit for the inner corner. Just putting it on. And then I'm just gonna take my foundation brush again. I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Light Beige. I wanted to try a different foundation because I used to wear I used to wear the Makeup Forever, but I wanted to try a different one because I tend to change colors when I'm in the wintertime, in the summertime. In the wintertime I'm a lot lighter, so this is probably why this foundation is really light on camera. But it matches, I promise. I did this tutorial and I didn't even do haven't done my eyeshadow or my eyebrows yet, so they're like barely coming in at all. Powder foundation and light, and then I'm just gonna be taking an Eco Tools Kabuki little foundation brush. Forehead. Do that for bronzer, highlight, and blush, which I'm going to be using. Oh my god. No. Okay, we're good. Highlight. I've been breaking out a lot right here because of my highlight. And not this one. This one's good. On the nose. Rimmel Natural Bronze, which I've used before in the shade Sun Bronze. I used this before in some of my tutorials. Gives me a little something to work with. Bring a little bit of light back into my face on my little chin. My Jay Leno chin. I'm sorry I'm flipping off, but my Jay Leno chin, as my sister would say. Salmon-y color. My boyfriend is gonna get makeup all over his pajama pants. Wild palette again. And just be using that shade. I only use the black and the brown shade because I use this shade for my eyebrows. I don't know what I'm going to be doing when it's out, but that's the only shade I use with my matte. But I like it. Mascara by Maybelline. This is like my go-to. So that is the end of my makeup look, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed, and thank you all for watching, and I will see y'all later in my next video.